Welcome to this tutorial on using GeoSpy AI, a powerful tool for geolocation analysis. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to upload an image and determine its location using GeoSpy AI. Open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type GeoSpy AI and press enter. Click on the official GeoSpy AI website from the search results. Once the website loads, you will see the GeoSpy AI homepage interface. Locate and click on the Super Bold feature. On the Super Bold page, you will see an option labeled Try Example Image. Click on it. The system will process the image and display the location results. Click the back button to return to the main interface. Now you will see an option to upload your own image. Click on the select image button and choose the image you want to analyze. After selecting the image, GeoSpy AI will begin processing it. Within a few moments, the tool will provide an estimated location based on the image's visual data. You can explore additional details such as coordinates, possible landmarks, and related geographical data. That's how you can use GeoSpy AI to analyze an image and determine its location. Whether you are a researcher, investigator, or just curious about photos' origin, this tool provides valuable insights with ease. For more tutorials and updates, stay tuned and explore the full potential of GeoSpy AI.